Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to DCTV USA. I am Tabinda Gul. Let's take a look at the national news. Seminar in Vihari stresses maize crops role in economic growth. Kallar Saida Abdul Aziz Pasha offers condolence on passing of Chaudhry Zulfikar's Bhutto mother. Solidarity rally held in Shahpur in support of Pakistan Armed Forces. Emergency preparedness training held at Ikra School, Kahota by Rescue 1122. And Hali Road tragedy, advocate blames mayor for neglect. These are headlines, lead to news detail. Now the story is here. The Vihari Chamber of Commerce held a seminar to discuss the improvement of maize cultivations and its economic impact. Experts from home and abroad highlighted maize as a profitable crops after wheat and cotton. They advised farmers to control pests like the kapda beetle and adopt modern techniques. The seminar also stressed the importance of accessing export markets like Vietnam and Malaysia to earn foreign exchange and boost the national economy. So this is reported by Sadit Chaudhry, Divisional Bureau Chief, Multan. In Kallar Saida, the mother of renowned businessman and social figure Chaudhry Zulfikar Bhutto passed away, plunging the city into grief. Abdul Aziz Pasha, former chairman of the Zakat and Usher Committee and vice president of the Press Club, visited the family to offer heartfelt condolence. He prayed for the departed soul's elevation in Jannatul Firdaus and strength for the Berry family. The loss has deeply affected the city's social and business circle. Majid Ali Shah of Mughlabad was also present. So this is reported by Abdul Aziz Pasha from Kallar Saida. Now, a massive rally was held in Shahpur to show unwavering support for the Pakistan Armed Forces. Citizens carried banners with slogans like "Long live Pakistan Army" and "Long live Pakistan." The rally started from the residence of former MNA Syed Javed Hussain Shah and ended at Ada Timtim. Addressing the crowd, Syed Javed Hussain Shah praised the armed forces' bravery under Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif's leadership during the PMLN government. The event reflected strong public unity with the military. So reported by Raja Noor Ilahi Atif, Divisional Bureau Chief, Sargodha.
Neurological care is a pressing healthcare challenge in Pakistan. That's why Helping Hand USA is building Kind R, a world-class hospital with 130 plus clinics that is set to establish new standards for neurological care in Pakistan. As the first phase nears completion, anticipation is growing for the launch in the second half of 2025. Give zakat and sadaqah through Helping Hand USA today and join this historic endeavor to redefine future healthcare in Pakistan.
Kahota, on the directions of the Emergency Services Department, a safety training session was held at Ikra School, Kahota. Under the supervision of Tehsil Emergency Officer, students received hand-on training in CPR, bleeding control, fracture management, and emergency evacuation. This session included emergency response drill and rescue operation conducted by Rescue 1122 Tehsil Kahota. Led by Tehsil in charge Farhad Mahmood, the training aimed to equip students with the skills to handle real-life emergencies, especially amid national tensions, and to strengthen public rescue agency coordination. Reported by Nadeem Azad from Kahota. Hyderabad Dane-Chanain Bureau Chief Sindh Innocent Rahil lost his life due to broken unmaintained drain wall to Old Sabzi Mandi on Hali Road. The advocate slammed the mayor, accusing him of abandoning the city despite People's Party's 70 years rule in Sindh and local leadership from Hyderabad. Basic issues like drainage remain unresolved. He demanded compensations for Rahil's family and an FIR against the mayor and officials for negligence. So thank you for watching and thank you for supporting. This is me, Tabinda, signing off. Stay tuned for more news. DCTV USA, DTVN, and another OTT platform, DTV Flex, where you can access to over 3,000 channels. So stay tuned and stay with us.
You came to this country for a brighter future for you and your loved ones. You've made it this far. Now it's time to become a citizen. With citizenship, you gain the right to vote, access to federal jobs, the ability to keep your family closer, and the freedom to travel with a U.S. passport. These are just a few of the benefits waiting for you when you become eligible. We're here to help you through the process with free resources and personalized guidance. Together, we can make it easier. Get started at becomeacitizentoday.com.